Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best chicken-free dog food that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Natural Balance Vegetarian Dry Dog Food. This Natural Balance dog food is not only free from chicken, but it is vegetarian, appealing to those who feel conflicted about feeding their furry friends meat or who have dogs that are allergic to most meats. This formula manages to provide all of the necessary nutrients for canines while remaining vegetarian. You will not find any artificial colors or flavors. The balanced essential fatty acids in the formula encourage your dog to have a shiny coat with healthy skin underneath. The sources of natural fiber ensure your dog's digestive system continues to remain healthy. Dogs who consume this natural balance food will feel energized thanks to the highly digestible potatoes, oatmeal, and brown rice. Meanwhile, green peas provide complex protein and carbohydrates. For added confidence, every batch of Natural Balance food undergoes 9 safety tests. This food's vegetarian formula will appeal to owners of canines with allergies to chicken, beef, or other common protein sources. It provides protein, complex carbohydrates, and essential fatty acids via vegan sources for a balanced diet. The formula promotes overall health, including specific ingredients for digestion, fur, and skin, and undergoes rigorous quality control. Moving on at number 4, we have the Purina Dog Chow Real Beef Adult Dry Dog Food. For those who are on a budget, this Purina Dog Chow offers complete nutrition with real beef as the primary protein source. The recipe also features 23 essential minerals and vitamins to ensure your pooch receives all the required nutrition. The formula is 100% balanced for adult dogs. The ingredients also provide immune system support. The food is made in the United States and features quality ingredients that you can count on. This is one of the rare options at its price point that feature real beef instead of just meat meal or other byproducts. The presence of high-quality beef protein helps your dog stay active by maintaining his strong muscles. As your dog chews, the crunchy texture of the kibble will help keep teeth clean. Your furry friend will also appreciate the flavor. This Purina food makes it possible to feed your dog without chicken while on a budget. It uses real beef as the primary protein source and contains 23 essential minerals and vitamins for all the nutrition that your four-legged friend needs. At number 3, we have the Purina Beyond Simply Pasture-Raised Lamb and Whole Barley Recipe. Purina Beyond Simply's primary ingredient features real lamb, with no chicken in the recipe. This ingredient is sourced from lambs raised on a pasture, a choice that means the lamb was likely treated better during its life and may have fewer chemicals in its system. As part of the brand's limited ingredient line, this dog food only contains the nutrients that your canine needs. As such, you will not find any soy, wheat, corn, or other fillers that have no nutritional value. There are also no artificial flavors, preservatives, or colors. This pasture-raised lamb and whole barley recipe gives your furry friend a delicious combination of ranch-raised lamb and whole barley without any artificial flavors or preservatives and without soy, wheat, or corn. At number 2, we have the NUTRO Limited Ingredient Diet Adult Dry Dog Food. There is no chicken in this NUTRO Limited Ingredient food, with venison meal providing the main source of protein instead. This is the main ingredient. The recipe contains 10 key ingredients or less, just like all of the other dog foods in this NUTRO product line. There are also natural nutrients, flavors, minerals, and vitamins. All ingredients are non-GMO, including sweet potatoes, which are the other main ingredient. The exclusion of chicken, dairy protein, beef, soy, wheat, and corn is deliberate in this recipe, as those are the most common food sensitivities in canines. The recipe was also formulated to help nourish sensitive skin. As a limited ingredient diet, This dog food does not contain the most common ingredients that cause allergies or sensitivities in dogs. The main ingredients are venison meal and real sweet potatoes. And finally, at number 1, we have the Supreme Source grain-free dry dog food. The protein in this grain-free dog food from Supreme Source comes from a turkey meal, which offers more protein in each ounce compared to fresh turkey. A grain-free recipe, it uses sweet potatoes for its department of complex carbohydrates. Fruits and vegetables are also included to boost Fido's longevity and health. Chickpeas and peas provide manganese for brain function and bone health, along with natural fiber. There are prebiotics and organic seaweed to help with digestion. You will not find any grain, soy, wheat, or corn. The company behind this canine food is also family-owned and makes it a priority to exceed industry standards. The turkey meal in this grain-free dog food offers a delicious alternative to chicken. The formula has specific ingredients to boost brain function, bone health, digestion, immune system health, and the overall health of your furry friend.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.